Good morning, grade 8 students. Welcome to another day of fun-filled learning. This is Areza Senyorpida, your English teacher for today. Before we start, please arrange your chairs and pick up pieces of trash. Okay, very good. Now, thank you for your cooperation. You may now take your seats. So let's start our lesson today with a song by Ed Sheeran entitled Dive. Are you familiar with the song? Wow, that's good to hear. So I will show you the lyrics of the song and I want you to get your pen and paper where you will write your answers. Okay? So the lyrics of the song has blanks where you will fill up with your correct answers by listening to the song that I will be playing. Is that clear? Okay, great. So now let's start.
Well, maybe I came on too strong. Maybe I waited too long. Maybe I played my cards wrong. Oh, just a little bit wrong. Oh, baby, I apologize for it. I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane, and I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all and jumping in harder than 10,000 rocks on the lake. So don't call me baby unless you mean it, and don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you.
Alright, so I will reveal the correct answers.
Too long. Maybe I played my cards wrong. Oh, just a little bit wrong. Oh, baby, I apologize for it. I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane, and I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all and jumping in harder than 10,000 rocks on the lake. So don't call me baby unless you mean it, and don't tell me you need me if you don't.
Okay, so what have you observed with these words? For, or, and, so. When will we use these words? What do you call these words? Anyone? Alright, very good. These are called coordinating conjunctions. Now, can anyone share any ideas about coordinating conjunctions? Okay, very good. Coordinating conjunctions connects words, phrases, and clauses, and also it joins grammatically similar elements like to nouns, to verbs, to modifiers, or independent clauses. So there are 7 coordinating conjunctions. We have for, and, nor, but, so, yet, and or. These conjunctions have different functions. Let's start with for. For is used when explaining why, and it is more formal and less common than because. Can anyone give me an example? Okay, very good. So, we have here, I hate using face shield. For, it makes me feel uncomfortable. Okay, very good. So now, next word would be and. Okay, so and is used for connecting the same or similar equal without contrast words. Okay, so can anyone give me an example? Very good. Jaime's two favorite subjects are math and English. Good job! Now, let's have the next conjunction word, which is nor. So, nor is used for two non-contrasting grammatically negative items. Okay, can anyone give me an example? Very good. So, here we have Edison refuses to read his books nor answer his modules. Do you have any questions? Okay, that's good to hear. So next we have but. It is used for contrasting words, phrases, and clauses. Okay, any ideas? Do you have examples? Very good. So we have here Luna wanted to play Mobile Legends, but Erica refuses. Fantastic. Let's have the next one, which is or. So or is used before an alternative. Okay, do you have any examples? Great, that's good. Now here we have Joyce can continue her classes through modular learning or online classes. Okay, wonderful. Next one we have yet. So yet is used to contrast despite something. Okay, so a synonym word would be nevertheless or but still. Okay, so do you have any example sentences? Here, okay, very good. We have she's 62, yet she still studies her tertiary lessons during weekends. Okay, good job. Last but not the least, we have so. So, it is used to show the consequence of something. Okay, who would like to give me an example sentence? Alright, very good. They wanted to go to the mall, so they put their face masks and face shields on. Okay, great, good job. So these are the 7 coordinating conjunctions with their own functions. Okay, do you have any questions? Is everything clear? Okay, great. So with that, let's have another set of sentences. So here I have 10 sentences for you to answer. Okay? So let us see if you really understood the lesson for today. So let's start with question number 1. We have Nora don't like to answer her assignments, blank make her projects. Okay, anyone? Very good. So we have here nor. Good job. Next, we have question number 2. Who would like to answer? Good job. So we have here for question number 2, it's but. She tried to learn Chinese, but it was too difficult. Very good. So next we have number 3. Very good. So we have so. Last night I was very tired, so I went to sleep. Good job. Next we have question number 4. Very good. We have tickets for the cinema and the opera. Very good. Okay, question number 5. Alright, very good. She is good in math, yet her favorite subject is history. Next is question number 6. Anyone? Yes? So, Duterte wanted to eat another piece of cake, but he was on a diet. Okay, good job. Number 7. Okay, Angel will be late to work for she has a dental appointment. Very good. Now let's have number 8. Okay, good job. Would you prefer coffee or tea? Next, we have number 9. All right, very good. Switzerland is not in the European Union, nor is it a member of NATO. Okay, and last sentence, who would like to answer? Good job. So, Anna needed some money, so she took a part-time job. Okay. So, very good, class. It seems that you really understood the lesson for today. Do you have any questions? Any clarifications? Is everything clear? Very good. That's good. So now we have here the 2 tests, okay, for you to answer and for you to understand more our lesson, okay, and for me to check also. So please get your pen and paper, and you may now start answering these. Okay, finish or not? Please pass your papers. Okay, very good. Now, for your assignment tomorrow, we have here, in a short bond paper, create a short story that contains coordinating conjunctions. Okay, and underline it. So, there's a criteria over here. Your stories will be rated with this one. Okay? So, okay, it was fun to see you, class, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Okay? So, hope you learned something today and have a great day. Bye for now.